In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Calm app for free. We will use only options that are built into the app so you can follow along safely on any iPhone or Android phone. On an iPhone, start by opening the App Store. On an Android device, open the Google Play Store instead. Once you are in the store, you should see a search bar at the top of the screen and some featured apps underneath, which lets you confirm you are in the right place before you continue. Now, tap the search bar and type Calm Sleep and Meditation. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Choose the one that matches Calm Sleep and Meditation with the blue icon showing a white Calm logo. Checking the exact name and icon helps you avoid downloading a different app with a similar title. Once you find the Calm app page, tap Get on iPhone or Install on Android. You may see your device ask for your password, face recognition, or fingerprint before it starts. After that, you will see a progress circle or bar, and when it is done, the button changes to Open, which means Calm is now installed on your device. Next, tap Open to launch the Calm app and create or sign in to your Calm account. If you are new to Calm, choose the option to sign up and follow the prompts, usually entering an email and a password. If you already have an account from another device, choose Sign In instead, so your existing progress and any previous settings are pulled into this installation automatically. After you sign in, you may be prompted to start a trial for the paid version. When you see this screen, look for a small X, usually in a corner, or a skip option, and tap that to continue using the free version. Once you do this, the trial screen closes and you land on the main Calm home screen, which confirms you are safely using the free tier with no charges added. With the free version active, you can now explore the built-in content. You will see timed meditations that let you pick a duration and sit with a simple guided or unguided session. These are useful if you just want a quick reset without committing to a full course. You also get access to day 1 of all meditation programs. This means you can sample the first session of many series, which is a smart way to see which teachers and topics feel right for you before you ever consider paying. The free version also includes selected breathing exercises. These usually show simple visual cues or timers that guide your inhale and exhale and can calm you in a few minutes. You will find the Blue Gold Sleep Story, which is a full-length bedtime story you can play at night to help you drift off. Finally, you have free nature sounds and ambient scenes like rain, waves, or forest sounds that can run in the background while you rest or focus. You have now installed Calm and unlocked everything available in the free version with no subscription. If this helped you start using Calm for free, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides like this.